Everyone is talking about AI, but nobody is telling beginners how to actually make money with it. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you the real methods beginners are using right now and which one is the easiest to start. Hey everyone, if you've been seeing people making money with AI and wondering, how do I start? This video is for you. No tech skills, no expensive tools, just simple steps. Most beginners make one mistake. They learn too many AI tools and never start earning. The secret? Pick one simple service. This is the easiest way to start. Businesses need captions, blog posts, product descriptions. You use AI, edit, deliver, that's it. Many beginners earn their first money here because it's simple and fast. This is where consistency pays. Businesses don't want one post. They want someone to handle content. So you generate ideas with AI, create posts, write captions. Even 3-5 clients can create stable monthly income. Short videos are exploding. Creators need captions, hooks, repurposed shorts. AI makes this fast, which means you can serve more clients. This method is growing very fast right now. Here's the truth nobody says. Your first $100 is harder than your first $1,000. Once you get one client, everything becomes easier. Do this today. 1. Pick one method. 2. Create 2 samples using AI. 3. Message 10 small creators or businesses. That's how beginners start. If you want more realistic AI money videos, subscribe. Comment AI money and I'll reply with what you should start first. See you in the next video.